Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to remove the security code from Nokia 110 2023 edition. As usual, we have here one sample. If we power it on, you are going to notice that is requesting the security code. So if you try the default code 12345 is not accepted, so means the user changed it. So I'm going to use Furiousgold box and SPD service tool from the pack 2 of Furiousgold to remove this code. So in the boot mode tab, I'm going to tab 1110 and select Nokia 110 2023 edition, and from the operations I'm going to select format file system. Also write firmware and other options are available. So now let's power off the phone. And let's press connect. So once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to connect our sample having star key pressed, as I'm doing here. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So that's it, the operation ended, as you can see. So now let's remove the USB-A cable and power on the phone. So as you can see, it's not asking anymore for the phone code. Phone got successfully formatted. So we are in the menu, so everything is okay. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.